In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Wix website. Whether you're just getting started with Wix or you're looking to make your site look more professional, adding your logo is a crucial step in creating a cohesive brand identity. Your logo is often the first thing visitors notice on your website, so placing it correctly and ensuring it looks great is key. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to upload your logo and make it look fantastic on your site. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login details. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your Wix sites and make edits. If you have multiple websites under your account, take a moment to select the site you want to edit. Simply click on the site's thumbnail or title to ensure you're working on the correct project. Once you've selected your site, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that, and it will open up the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. The editor is a powerful tool that allows you to fully customize your site's design and layout. Now that your editor is open, take a look at the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main menu for making changes to your site. From here, locate the icon labeled Add. It's marked with a plus sign, so it's easy to spot. Click on it, and you'll see a list of menu options appear. These options allow you to add various elements to your website, such as text, images, buttons, and more. For our purpose today, go ahead and select the option that says Image. Once you click Image, you'll notice a few more options pop up. What we want is to upload your logo file from your computer, so select Upload Images. This will open up a file selector window that allows you to browse your computer for the file you want to upload. Make sure your logo file is in either JPEG or PNG format, as those are the file types Wix supports. Now, locate your logo on your computer. You can either drag and drop the file directly into the Uploader window, or use the Upload Images button again to select the file manually. Give it a moment to upload, and once it's done, it will appear in your site's image library. From here, select the uploaded logo file. With your logo selected, it's time to place it on your page. Simply drag the logo from the library and drop it onto the part of your website where you want it to appear. Most commonly, logos are placed in the upper left corner of a site's header, but feel free to choose a location that works best for your design. Once your logo is on the page, you can adjust its size and position. Click on the logo to resize it by dragging one of the corners inward or outward. Make sure the proportions look good and that the logo is visually balanced with the other elements on your site. You can also drag the logo to move it around until it's perfectly aligned. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to save your work. Click the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. This ensures that all the changes you've made, including adding your logo, are finalized. Your site now has your brand's logo displayed exactly as you want it. And that's it. You've successfully added your logo to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.